In this video, I want to introduce you to the Ryobi Expand-It Edger Attachment. I'm Eddie Field with Field Guided DIY. Let's dive in. As with the Ryobi Expand-It attachments, the Edger attachment fits on the Ryobi Expand-It power head. I always like to disconnect the power supply before starting. You loosen the crank, press in the lock button, and slide off the string attachment. Then insert the Edger attachment to the power head, and then tighten it down. Insert the battery, and you're ready for edging. Then when you're done, disconnect the power supply, loosen the tightener, press in the lock button, and remove the Edger attachment. The Edger attachment comes with an 8-inch blade that is reversible. The Edger is adjustable for different heights, whether you're doing sidewalk or driveway edging or edging around a garden bed. You simply loosen the adjustment and set it to the desired depth. Now to remove the blade, when either reversing or replacing the blade, there'll be a spot on the flange washer where you can insert either a small screwdriver or, like I'm doing here, an awl. Insert it in that spot. Then with a 3/4 inch socket or wrench, rotate the nut clockwise, and that will free up that nut. That nut is reverse threaded. Take the nut off, take the washer off, and then you can reverse your blade. There's a hole that's a blade replacement indicator. When the blade is worn down to that level, you'll need to purchase a new blade. Then, to put it back on, put the blade back on, put the washer, put the flange back on, and remember the nut is reverse threaded. Get it started, and tighten it down the rest of the way. Snug it up, and now you're ready for edging. So there you have it, the Ryobi Expand-It Edger Attachment. If this has been helpful, be sure to click like and subscribe so you don't miss more videos like these.